Here's how you can connect your PS4 to the UWW Internet using an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet port in your room must be activated by ResNet for Ethernet access. To activate your port, go to student.housing.uww.edu, then click Port Activation and follow the steps there. For Internet access, you must also register your PS4 by its MAC address. You can find its MAC address by going to your settings, then scrolling down and selecting Network. Then scroll down and select View Connection Status. Your MAC address for the LAN cable will be listed there. With the MAC address, you can now register your PS4. Go to mydevices.uww.edu and sign in with your NetID and password. Click the Add button. Then enter in a name for your PS4 and its MAC address and click Submit. Your PS4 will now be registered. Once your Ethernet port is activated and your PS4 is registered, you can connect your PS4 to the activated port with an Ethernet cable. Then, go to your PS4 settings. Select Network, then Set up Internet Connection. When asked how you want to connect to the network, select Use a LAN cable. Then select Easy for the setup options. Your PS4 will then connect to the Internet. To check the connection, select Test Internet Connection. When the test is completed, your screen should say that your Internet connection is successful. For further questions, you can email us at resnet@uww.edu.